Welcome back to the Coleman Farm YouTube channel, where we are still prepping for paint on our Peterbilt 362. We got it almost there, so I'm trying to get this thing painted and get it in the paint booth here, and hopefully be able to start putting this whole thing back together. So go ahead and stay tuned, and we are going to continue prepping on this Peterbilt 362. Mufflers on, but go ahead and grab my air compressor, blow this thing off, and then probably going to be able to wash it tomorrow and then start taping everything off, and then we'll start getting the paint booth set up. All right, we got it pulled back into the shop. We are going to stop for today, get back out here tomorrow, and hopefully finish up a few more touch-up spots, some hand sanding, and then we will wash it up, and then we'll start taping everything off and see what we can do with the paint booth. Back at it again today. We are getting closer. I'll start pulling out these little clips here for the lights. And figured that I should probably pull these off before I try to paint it, because I just want everything looking nice. I'm gonna stop talking and get back to sanding. So I think I'm at that point now that I finally hand sanded enough. Hands are done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back outside, pull out the pressure washer, get this thing washed up. Well, now that I got it out in the sun, notice spots that need some more sanding. So back to sanding. All right, got the cab over, flip back around, back in the shop. What are we gonna paint it in? Boom! Our new inflatable paint booth we got off the amazing Amazon. As you can see, it fits in there, and we got plenty of room on one side. Need to probably pull it over a little bit more into the middle, but I was just trying to get it in there to see what it looked like. We got plenty of space, and look at all that headroom. It's easily, I don't know, I'd say 3-4 feet from the rib here, and then there's probably at least 5 feet from the top of the cab to the top of the paint booth. So, plenty of room, and I think this is going to work. Nice clean space, get this thing painted. Boom! We are in the paint booth. We are masking it off. Got a little bit more to do tomorrow morning, but I am done for today. Totally forgot videoing masking and all that. My kids were helping me, and that was good. That was fun. But going to go ahead and shut these blowers off. It's gonna deflate for a little bit, and then we will be ready for tomorrow. Please like and subscribe, and keep on following. Appreciate all the comments, and we will see you guys on the next one.